On this week's boiler tip, we're going to talk about low water cutoff probes. Low water cutoff probes, whether they're Warwick controls or McDonnell-Miller controls, have one thing in common, and that's probes. The probes are, as you can see here, bridging the gap between the water in the boiler and the shell of the boiler, which uses then a relay to prove that there's water in the boiler and that it's safe to run. But one thing many people don't realize is that there are different styles of probes for those housings. We'll find that some of them have a machine thread on them with a copper gasket, and others will have a 1/2-inch tapered pipe thread. So it's important when we order a replacement for one of these probes that we know whether we've got the machine thread connection or the tapered connection, because they're totally not interchangeable.